Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's currently Monday, April 21st, 2025. It's a Monday. I don't know why I felt it's about 2 in the afternoon is what I was trying to say. About 80 degrees according to the internet, like 78. I'm rounding up, so sue me. What would normally be nice riding weather for other people, it's okay riding weather for me. I tend to like things about 70 degrees or lower, so, but whatever. Just woke up. Last couple of days I haven't felt so great, so woke up feeling okay. So while we're feeling okay, let's just get up and go. So I got up and I'm winting right now. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel quite a bit out of it right now. Kind of in a bit of a dream state. My eyesight's a little blurry. I'm still blinking the gunk out of my eyes from sleeping. That's how long I've been awake, which is all of about 10 minutes. And I'm trying to wipe the gunk out of my eyes with my hands, and it's not working. It's not actual gunk. It's like just sleep haze or some shit. And my brakes are really not working right now. Usually a good thing to have brakes that work when you ride your bike, but you know. I like to be an individual. I like to have brakes that don't work. Just kidding. It's weird. One of my tool things digging in my back in my backpack. I got my Allen wrenches back there, and I used to put them in the... No, they're in the pocket I always put them in. I just didn't put them in there very well. Usually they wouldn't be digging into my back. Because I'm still rolling around with my busted backpack, and there's only one working main compartment. I.e. the zipper didn't break off that part. Backpack. I have another backpack, I just don't know where it is. A while back, I won this box full of samples. It's like for a survey I took, and occasionally they'd say, enter the survey and you can win a box full of free stuff, and they literally send you a box full of free stuff, but it's all like samples. It was like somebody went to Office Depot and just started grabbing all the free sample stuff and put it in a box. But it came with a phone charger and a backpack. More like a business backpack you stick a laptop in or something, but I don't know where I put it. So, yeah, it buried in the piles of crap in my room. Got somebody else on a Prius there. Prius saw me. Male person. Okay, my brakes still work really well. They're just squishy. They are just squishy. I'm getting close to, well, I'm about an inch pull away from the freaking handlebar with my brakes, but you know, I usually like maybe a 1/4 inch pull or a 1/2 inch or 1/8 inch pull, or seriously, it's not that big of, oh, well, I guess you are gonna scrape. Are you fucking kidding me? It's my turn to go. Fucking dumbass. Fucking people, man. I swear, the warmer the weather gets around here, the worse people drive. They do okay in the wet weather when you think it'd be more dangerous and they'd be more distracted, but nah. It's when it's perfectly clear, beautiful day like this. This is when they drive like shit around here. Good old Southern California, right? I'm not trusting anybody today now since after that. My ears were plugged up. I'm like, that's part of the reason why my ears are like doing that like plugged up thing. You know, you could have waited, dude. Seriously? Come on, man. Fuck. Pure, refreshing ice. Unless you freeze to death in that ice, and there's nothing refreshing about that. I'm so morbid. I got the coolest job ever. I work at an ice factory. Oh no, I fell in a vat of ice and now I'm dead. One of those kind of days in my head. A vat of ice? What would even be a vat of ice? How would that even work? Because a vat would turn into a gigantic solid block of ice, Larry. That wouldn't work. Okay. Somebody cleared up that corner there. Shit. Lost my grip on my throttle. That's never a good thing. Probably not going to go too far today. In fact, I'm probably going to make a right at the light up here and start working my way up and around. It's like if you see somebody with their truck nose poked out into another lane and a guy on a bike going around him, maybe you should merge into the other lane next to you until you get around. I mean, just a thought, don't try to maintain your lane when you don't have anybody next to you blocking you. Just get over, then get back. Get over, then get back. I mean, come on, man. See, that's one thing you need to do when you're riding your bike now. When you see people, don't assume they're going to try to attack you. That's just weird. What kind of life would you be living then? Assume that you're going to startle them when you ride by, but you don't know whether they're righty or lefty. You don't know what way they're going to jump when they get startled. They might jump towards the street because they might react in the direction they're used to, like reaching for shit in, as opposed to jumping the other way, which would be out of the street. But you don't know how people's minds work. You got to assume that everybody's crazy, but their minds are sane. Like, their minds work great until something happens, and then their brain just suddenly goes crazy and starts doing the exact opposite of what it should. Going 28 and it's all rear motor. Works great when you're going slightly downhill. I don't know if I should be riding right now. I feel very mentally distracted right now for some reason. Even though I'm completely focused on what I'm doing, I feel like I'm not. It's a very odd feeling. And I'm kind of stopping at these stop signs. Not really. I'm just kind of going really slow and riding through them. I noticed something funny. When my chest hurts a lot, my voice gets like higher pitched and nasally, which would make sense when I say it feels like my chest is being compressed when it's in pain. Because like if my chest feels like there's a lot of pressure, then that would kind of affect your voice. Kind of like if you swallowed or inhaled a helium out of a balloon. And I notice when it's not in pain, I'm more articulate and I don't mumble, and my voice isn't as high pitched as it is right now. But trust me, I can tell my voice is kind of high pitched right now and kind of nasally at times. It's like the air's not vibrating out of my chest the way it should be. I can actually feel it vibrating in my chest when I talk. It's an interesting feeling. Not a very massage feeling, just kind of a weird feeling. Probably should have waited till tomorrow. My chest is kind of bugging me still. But that's why I got up and got dressed and went, because I didn't want my chest to start bothering me until I was on the ride. Because if I'm on the ride and I'm far enough away from home, then I don't have a choice. I have to ride my bike, right? I'm my own punisher. Okay, weird. I woke up really dehydrated feeling today, which is weird because I also woke up peeing like a fountain, but dehydrated. My mouth's all dried out. And I drank a bunch of water right before I left. Weird. Well, maybe I can keep this ride under 20 minutes by the time I get home, and this will be a direct to upload to you video. No editing required. I'm definitely going home now. Not pushing it anymore. Today, probably tomorrow, maybe the next day. Such great riding weather though. It sucks when my chest decides to bother me when it's nice out. Why couldn't it have been bothering me when it's raining outside and shit, and it makes sense? Thought something about society and how we try to project our beliefs on other people as a society. Think the movie Avatar. Now you think, oh, it's the Na'vi people are so beautiful, they're so in touch with nature and all this other crap. Yet they all had bullies and they had bad names for each other. That's a very human trait, and we tried to. I don't know why they put that in a movie about people that actually gives a shit about like the world around them. Well, they tried to make them seem more human. Just because it's bipedal doesn't mean it's human. Why would a peaceful, peace-loving community of blue people like insult each other and have bad names for each other and be bullies towards each other. That's human. That's not everything else. Just saying. Nobody ever said that. Nobody said, "Oh my God, I want to live where they're living." And people said they felt like committing suicide and stuff because our world wasn't as fucking beautiful and peaceful as theirs. I'm like, no, their world was extremely savage and they were rude to each other, and they picked on each other and bullied each other and called each other names. Why would you go to pretty USA or whatever, a pretty world? It's like, oh my God, it's so pretty, but I'm still treated like shit. It's like, what, just the lesser of two evils? The bullshit or the bully shit? Don't mind me. Like I said, I'm half asleep right now, so a lot of the stuff I say is going to be kind of weirder than normal. Weirder than normal. They should have left the movie like in prison rules. Us against them, the prisoners versus the guards. That would have made more sense. As opposed to the prisoners versus the guards versus themselves. Or the guards versus the prisoners versus themselves. I don't know. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm trying to distract myself right now. I'm almost home though, which is a good thing. One of these days I'll learn to not ignore my pain. I mean, when I was younger, it's easy when you're younger to ignore your pain because your pain don't mean a thing, but when you're older, your pain means a lot more. And it hurts a lot more, and it lasts a lot longer. It takes a lot longer to recover from said pain. See, right now I'd be like, oh, I'm going to go a little further. I'm going to go right up here and go around, but not today. Today I'm going home. Today I'm good. Today I've had my adventure. I'm done. I'm so loopy as shit feeling too. But I'm alive. I didn't cause an accident. It's really no excuse, so I really shouldn't ride around when I'm feeling like this. But I just get so bored. So bored. I'm pretty sure a lot of this is going to be unintelligible intelligible. Yeah, because I'm mumbling a lot. I know I'm mumbling. Okay, cool. Leaving the gate open because I got to take the cans out later. It's Monday. It's trash can day. See, all of 5 miles, if that. 5.6. That's good. I'm good. That's fine. That's a good ride. That's good. I feel kind of crappy ride. So I'm good. Notice I don't stop talking when the garage door is opening and closing. I just talk louder. A normal person would save their breath. I'm just like, nah, screw it. The mailbox key? That's going to be fun to find. Yep. Yeah. So remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. Got lots of videos, a lot longer videos, a lot better videos than this one, but this is just a crappy day for me. Normally I've been feeling pretty good lately, but last couple days have been kind of bad. So anyways, with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I will see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye. No, I had to come back. My chest started to hurt.